my CASIO CTK 100. It has 49 keys. It has 100 tones and 100 rhythms. Tone has poly and texture. Rhythm and fill in and demonstration song. Has the tempo. Okay, it has the tempo adjustment. Okay, main volume and rhythm volume. Okay. For example, I want to play the Payphone by Maroon5. I'm going to select a CASIO chord and okay, the sound. Okay. Test keypad. Okay. Okay, see you next clip. Bye bye.